We rolling?
Yeah. God damn
Okay. Hello, everybody. I am not Supergirl, Wonder Woman. Why do you use your butt for transportation?
Because it's my alternate vehicle!
What is wrong with your voice?
My voice has nothing wrong with it! Rip headphone users!
Ah! Superpower! Best superpower ever.
What's wrong with you? Our heads are not in frame. Also, my foot's backwards.
This is so far a great video.
Yep.
Oh shit.
I agree. Ow. Which hand was it?
She.
Drop it, give me 20. Flies off frame.
Just whisper flies off frame. That sounds wonderful.
Da da da. Sorry about that. I'm still working on the flying thing. Don't worry, I'll use my power of healing. Come closer, please. There we go. You're back. Damn it. Oh wait, no. Sorry. Is that even in frame? Yeah. Sorry. Hey, don't take my friend.
No, I'm supposed to die.
Fine. Die then. I'll just superpower
There's
away.
hair on my arm. And in my hair and... It's Turtle Dino. We interrupt your program to bring you these messages.
To bring you this very special announcement. Turtle dinosaurs have been spotted throughout New York City. Please be wary of where you step, or else you might be stepping on a dinosaur turtle. Back to your regularly scheduled program.
My arms are freakishly weird.
My arms are too.
Let's hug.
Yay!
My finger!
Yay!
Yay! Together forever!
Buddy slam! Oh damn it!
You wanna slam, bro? Wham! Stupid.
I'm back from the hospital!
What's up?
Who are you?
What's up, bro?
Who are you?
What's up, bro?
Who
are you?
What's up, bro?
I can't tell if I'm looking at you or looking through the camera.
I'm really confused right now, man.
So am I. I think so are they.
I'm not confused.
We're not alone in our confusement. Yay!
What's up, bro?
This guy. Actually me.
My
Damn
name's
it.
Sup, bro.
No!
Sup, bro, sucker.
I can't reach him. Help me.
There you go.
I can't reach my finger.
There you go, Max.
Okay.
Okay!
Gotta sniff your nose.
Now it's time for my alternate vehicle to take me away! I'm going to the liquor store!
Wait, liquor store? This is a family program.
You guys smell of hot dogs.
Drop it, give me 20 with hair on my back. Okay, keep the hair. Keep it off stage.
Done.
I wasn't even in frame. Hang on. Did you hit my hand?
This is a mess.
No, it's not. It's perfect. The only thing that's a mess is your room.
Boom. I'm so emo right now.
Thank you. I just realized my butt skin is easily visible on camera. Okay. Ow.
Hadouken! That wasn't a Hadouken. That was
Mouse!
Oh my god, it almost rolled off frame.
No! Wake up!
You already died.
I got back from the hospital.
You
Same one that the dog was at.
You literally said you were dying. Do not
I don't remember saying that. Run away!
The hand person tried to control you too. The girly, tiny, petite, freaky knuckle hand tried to control you too.
Dang.
But Snowball, no! Okay.
What a weak wolf.
Okay. Okay, it's gone through a lot, and Archie tried to kill it. That's why its nose is all weird.
Okay.
But its nose used to be fluffy.
I say, no, put him back in frame. I'm sorry.
You're a mouse. Why did you think we could be friends? I eat mouses for breakfast. I tilted the camera.
And thus ends our show. Now for a big song and dance number. Why can't we be friends? 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 Sing it. Why can't we be friends? Why can't we be friends? Why can't we be friends? I highly doubt we're in frame now.
I really doubt it too. No, it's mine! And thank you all for watching. I can't see. Okay.
Bye!